Hi everyone, welcome to Tiflydesigns, and this is my first video for 2021. I want to wish everyone a happy new year, and today we're sharing the cards made using my Spellbinders December 2020 card kit, and here we go. So I started with the dies that came in the kit of these two hands, and I thought the die was so cute. It come with an outline, and then the black area is the physical fingers, and I used that piece of pattern paper in the background that looks like it has like a scene with shadow in the water, and I felt a little spacey, so I add the two hands and sorry, the globe die cut from the kit, and it looks like the two hands are holding the world up, or the planet up, and I thought it was cute and has the same colors as the background, at least some of the colors. So I just add that to the hands, which actually forms a heart when you put them together. And then I'm just gonna add my sentiments and add this to a card base, and that's it for card number 1. For card number 2, we're using die cuts again. I used this little envelope that came with die cuts, and I just made a little slit in the center so I can push these black flowers that I cut using one of the dies again. And then we're just gonna add it to one of the die cut frames. I adhere my frame with some foam adhesive. We're gonna add it to this pink piece of pattern paper and add it to our card base, and that's it for card number 2. For card number 3, I started with this piece of pattern paper and just stitched mini scallop rectangles from MFT, and I cut a piece of black cardstock with one of the dies. Then we add here that rectangle to my piece of pattern paper, and then we're gonna add some die cuts to the piece of black cardstock. So I added this heart die cut, and then this sentiment from this sticky sheet. This says lovely, and then we're going to add a die cut fountain pen to make it look like that the lovely was written using the fountain pen. Then we add this to a white card base, and that's it for card number 3. For card number 4, this piece of blue pattern paper and this little square die cut. I'm going to add it here, the die cut to piece of white card stock. Then we have this other piece of pattern paper to the blue piece of paper, and this card is actually a square card. Then we add this cute little butterfly. I thought that was so cute. That's like my favorite thing in all the die cuts. We add that and add our sentiment. Add it to a white card base. And that's it for card number 4. Card number 5, I cut out the 2 hands or gloves again, and I adhered these 2 tigers that were in the die cut, and just cut off the excess body part of the tigers. As you can see, just their little heads, so they could be in love, I guess. To be within the heart shape. Now here it to this white stitch circle. Then we're going to add it to this piece of pattern paper, add our sentiment, and that's it for card number 5. For card number 6, I started with a piece of black cardstock. And we're going to add all these little crafty things to the card. Some paint swatches, paint tube, scissors. All these came from the die cuts. And then we'll put the card together. Once we add our crafty goodies, we add it to this piece of pattern paper and a card base with the create sentiment, and that's it for card number 6. For card number 7, we started with this die cut frame again, and some flowers also from the die cuts. And I thought these flowers were too cute, so we're gonna just add it to the window of the frame, and then we're gonna add here that piece of yellow cardstock in the back of the flowers, like so, and then add it to our pattern paper. Then I thought this piece of pattern paper was fitting for the flowers. So we're going to add here our frame to this piece of pattern paper and add it to a card base. And that's it for card number 7. For card number 8, we frame this pink, what you call this again? This pink tag. We framed it with some black cardstock, and we're gonna create a little scene with this cute little, makes me think of Victorian kind of pattern, and we add this die cut lady with her hat on, and I thought that the black cardstock was too much around the frame, so I cut some of it off, and you see by the end of the card. Then we're going to add this piece of die cut at the bottom that also has a sentiment. And we're going to adhere it at the bottom of the tag, like so. We're going to then add this to this pretty pink piece of pattern paper, and then add it to our card base, and that's it for card number 8. The sentiment says, "Embrace all that is you," and I thought it was fitting for the little lady. And like I said, that's it for card number 8. For card number 9, I used that same frame to create another scene, and I use this die cut. I don't know what that is. Is that a record player? I guess. And then I colored the white area of the record player in black. Then I add that little tag at the top, because I thought I needed a little more color back there. And then I'll eventually cut the tag down. I'm going to add that inspire sentiment. And after I add here that inspire sentiment, I didn't really like it. So by the end of the card, you see me add one that says unique and cover over the inspired. But I left the blue in the back, and it came out pretty good. Add all of that on a stitch circle, add it to a pattern paper and the card base, and that's it for card number 9. For the final card, which is my favorite, I thought this, I don't know what you call it, is that a dress form? It was so cute. And I wanted to create a scene where it looks like the pattern paper is like the wall that has wallpaper on it. So I created a floor, and the sentiment from card number 8 that says, "Embrace who you are." I think that's what it said. And I'm going to add that to the bottom, and then add my dress form right to the right of that. So cute. And my dress form is going to have a hat that's sitting at the top. because that's where I hang my hat when I come in. I use some black foam adhesive to adhere my hat to add a little dimension. And you can see on the side I have that die cut that looks like a framed art piece, and I just use my black Copic marker to go around the edges to kind of raise it off of the wallpaper. And we're gonna just add here our little picture frame on the side, and so cute. This is actually my favorite card, like I said. And we add it to a card base, and that's it for card number 10. As you can see, I created an envelope for all the cards, as I usually do, and these are the 10 cards that I made. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys will leave a comment and let me know which one was your favorite card. And again, wishing everyone a happy new year, wishing everyone all the best for the new year, and we hope that the new year is going to bring better than 2020 and help us with this virus so we can all go back to work and get back to enjoying our life and family. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.